Welcome to the Toolbox. I'm Tony Dethridge. Today we're going to be going over the onboard diagnostic system found on your Snorkel product. Let's get to it. When you first power on the machine, the display will come up and it'll give you a little bit of basic information. First off, hour meter. So as you're operating the machine, it's going to keep track of how many hours the machine's been operated. Just to the right of that is your battery condition indicator. Gives you an idea what your battery charge is. In this case, on this particular machine, we're at 50%. Beyond that, you have the option of holding the escape key, which will give you the ability to change screens. If you hold that escape key for about 7 to 10 seconds, it will change screens. The screen it comes to is the help menu. At this point, you can press enter to get into what's going on with the machine. With no issues, it's going to come up and say everything's okay. That's ideal. That's what you're looking for. If there are any error messages, this is where you would see it. If you push enter a second time, you will actually go into a logged help screen. And at this point, you can go in and you can see what the stored history is. And you can do that by navigating with your right and left arrows. And that's how you navigate the onboard diagnostic system on your Snorkel. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to explore the Toolbox for more information and helpful tips for your Snorkel.